Did you know that 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? It's not because they don't work hard. It's because they were never taught the language of money. Schools teach us how to work for a salary, but they never teach us how to make that salary work for us. Today, on Rich Head, we're breaking down the 5 essential rules of financial literacy that will change your bank account forever. Let's dive in. Rule number 1 is the most important. You must know the difference between an asset and a liability. Rich people buy assets. Poor and middle-class people buy liabilities that they think are assets. Remember, an asset is something that puts money into your pocket. Like a rental property or stocks. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket, like a car loan or credit card debt. If you want to be wealthy, spend your life buying assets. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. It's a process where your money earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest. Imagine you invest $500 a month, starting at age 25. By the time you're sitting with an 8% return, you'd have over $1.6 million. But if you start at you'd have less than half of that. Time is the greatest multiplier of wealth. Start now. Most people get their paycheck, pay the rent, pay the bills, buy groceries, and then save what's left. Usually, there's nothing left. The rich do the opposite. They pay themselves first, before paying any bills. Take 10 to 20% of your income and put it into an investment account. Treat this as your most important bill that must be paid every single month. The biggest enemy of wealth is lifestyle creep. That means as soon as you earn more, you spend more. You don't need the latest iPhone every year if your current one works fine. Financial literacy is about understanding that your wants provide temporary pleasure, but your needs provide long-term security. If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you do need. Lastly, you must understand taxes and inflation. Inflation is the silent thief that eats your savings. If your money is just sitting in a regular bank account, you are actually losing money. Why? Because prices are rising faster than your savings. To beat inflation, you must invest in assets that grow faster than the rate of inflation, like the S&P 500 or real estate. Building wealth isn't about luck. It's about following these rules consistently. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to comment below. Which rule was the biggest eye-opener for you? I'm Rich Head, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build wealth together.